Hello everyone, welcome to my channel No UPSC. This is your day 4 of 60 days NCERT challenge. Today we are going to understand the UPSC main syllabus of GS2 paper. It is one of the most important paper in UPSC mains because it focuses on governance, constitution, quality, social justice and IR. This paper is directly connected with current affairs, government policies, administrative issues. So let's understand its major sections. First is the Indian Constitution and quality, that includes historical background of the Constitution, fundamental rights and fundamental duties, DPSP, Parliament, Judiciary, Executive, Federalism, constitutional and non-constitutional bodies. This focuses on understanding the structure and functioning of Indian political system. Second is governance, which includes transparency and accountability, e-governance, citizen charters, government policies, good governance, and role of civil services. Focus is on how government works and delivers services to citizens efficiently and effectively. Third main topic is our social justice, which include education, health, poverty and hunger, welfare schemes, vulnerable sections of society, government initiatives, and development. Fourth is international relations. Lastly, India and its neighbors, bilateral relations, international organizations like UN, WTO, IMF, World Bank, etc. Global groupings like Quad, BRICS, G20, SAARC, etc. Important international issues affecting India. Its focus is on India's role in the world and understanding global developments impacting our country. So, GS paper 2 requires both conceptual understanding and current affairs knowledge because that is why newspaper, government schemes, and NCRT polity basics are extremely important. Your task for today is just read, write, and learn the GS paper 2 syllabus and also have a crisp notes for GS paper 2. As we have heard about Uma Harti ma'am, IS Uma Harti ma'am. So that's it. Highlight your important keywords, understand the major themes. GS Paper 2 is not about memorizing articles or and fact only. It is about understanding how the government, constitution and institution work in real life. So this is our major themes. So if you look at the syllabus of the GS Paper 2, it includes governance, constitution, polity, social justice, and international relations. You need to just memorize the this syllabus and have a crisp notes on it. Also, try to revise others too. Revise whatever you have learned till now. We have done our JS Paper 1 prelims, our pattern, and our Y factor. So that's for today. Thank you. All the best. We'll meet in our next challenge day.